Hello students. Last time I had discussed about GST and how to make journal entries when GST is involved in case of purchases or sales or purchase of any assets or paying any expenses. How to calculate and how to make journal entries in the books. Now there are two kinds of situations in which GST is accounted for. First is intra-state, that means within a state. Suppose any business is doing business in West Bengal and it buys raw material within the West Bengal. Now, in that case, all the entries will be as I discussed earlier. Means all the entries and all the process and all the procedure of accounting for GST I had laid down till now is nothing but all for within state GST accounting. Now, when goods are bought from any other state than the home state of business, then that is called interstate situation. Now, in this situation, some difference will be there. Now, I will discuss what is the difference. So, first thing is purchases of goods. What entry had you made there? You pass the journal entries purchases account debit and input state GST account debit, input central GST account debit, that is CGST debit, to bank or to creditors account. Now, in this case, when the goods are bought from any other state, in that situation, entries will be purchases account DR and only input IGST account will be debited. Now, what is this IGST? I will tell you, that is integrated GST. That means combining the state and central GST when goods are transferred or goods are exchanged interstate, then SGST and CGST will not be debited, but input IGST integrated GST account will be debited. Now, what will be the rate? So, suppose 6% is SGST and 6% is CGST, then total 12% will go to the input IGST account. That means combining both, we will put the amount here. Now, similarly, for sale of goods, bank account debit to sales account to output IGST account. In intrastate, what did you used to do? You were making entry like bank account debit to sales account to output, CGST account to output, SGST account. Here, combining both SGST and CGST output IGST will be credited. Again, for purchases of assets, assets account DR, input IGST account DR to bank account. So now I think you have understood. That means combining both the taxes, you have to put the amount here and no differences is there. So total input IGST account will be debited. So for expenses, it will be expenses account debit, input IGST account debit to bank account. Similarly, for any income outside the state, bank account debit to income account to output IGST account. For adjustment of IGST at last, output IGST account debit to input IGST account will be made, and finally the balance will be transferred, and then that amount will be paid to the government. So you have to keep in mind that only intra-state entries, if you remember, then you can easily lay down these entries, because here integrating both GST, you have to just write IGST. Input output will remain same and rates will be given in the sum. So integrating both that, you have to write there. So this is how we make. Now I'm sending you one illustration in the PDF file. You can check that, and when live classes will be held, we will discuss this matter. Till then, you practice, see the illustration I am sending, and then also try to solve one illustration I am sending as homework. Okay, thanks.